Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get 120 FPS on Fortnite in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to get 120 FPS on Fortnite, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of the settings. Go ahead and search for screen and video. And then once you find screen and video, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find video output, screen, and right here, you're gonna find BD and DVD. Go ahead and click on video output. And then right here, you're gonna find video output information, resolution and frequency. And right here, you're gonna find color. Right here under resolution and frequency, you're gonna find resolution. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you can choose which resolution you want to work with. Make sure you select the highest one. And right here, you're gonna find VRR. You can test 1440p output. And lastly here, you're gonna find 120 Hz output. Make sure you set this option to automatic so you can play with 120 FPS on your PlayStation 5. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.